Hey, have you ever thought of drawing freehand without using any sort of mechanical methods like tracing or using grids? I guess you did, but I think it was not a very fruitful experience for you. Because as a beginner, when you try to approach freehand drawing, then something like this happens. You always think you are going perfect, but after putting a few lines on your paper, you kind of feel like lost, disoriented, and fuzzy, which obviously kills your passion for drawing. And then you just use the eraser with the best of your skill to beat the devil out of the paper. Hey guys, it's me Satyajit and you are watching Satyajit's artwork. In today's video, I am going to show you how I draw inside my head before I draw on paper, or maybe I do both at a time. Now, if you are new to my channel, then please consider subscribing and also press the bell notification so that you get notified as soon as I post a new video. Getting back to this video, as you can see, today I am going to draw this horse using freehand drawing method, which I prefer all the time, keeping utmost respect for all the other drawing methods as well, because all the other methods have their own benefits and it all depends on your preferences. But I feel that one must develop a practice of drawing freehand as well, because it will help you in the cognitive growth of your mind regarding the better understanding of forms and shapes directly from observation. Now I'll just let you watch me draw from this reference and then I'll try to explain you how I actually break those complex shapes inside my head to perceive the things in a much better way. You can see that I have also used eraser on some places and there is nothing to feel shy about. You should just try to limit the maximum use of it and you are all good to go. Now back to the previous point of simplifying the complex shapes, where I will try to take you through the whole process of drawing inside my head using those illustrations over the reference image which you can see on your screen. Now, as I cannot show you what is going inside my head while I am moving that pencil to and fro on the paper, so I came up with this illustration which will give you an insight of my head space where all the analytical and incubated part of this drawing is going right now. As you have seen on the illustration, I have analyzed and incubated the complex anatomy of the horse into a very simple and suggestive arrangement of forms, and most importantly into some very specific lines which have been actually drawn inside my head before I rolled that pencil on the paper. So it actually helped me putting those lines more confidently on the paper, because I was assured that I was not lost and it's building up all together as a drawing, which was not the case in the beginning of this video when I showed you how vigorously I was erasing the same lines again and again because it was not working inside my head. I was literally trying to mimic the forms without having a visual impression of that particular object inside my head. And with beginners, mostly it is the case for which they cannot adapt to this drawing technique. Apart from this, if you really want to excel in freehand drawing, then it is very essential to build a habit of observing things very precisely whenever possible. Because we have two memories, one is conscious and the other is subconscious. So whenever you observe something very minutely, then the impression of that object is somehow stored in your subconscious memory, and it helps you relate the things much better whenever you come across them. Your brain finds the relevance and tries to fill in the gaps in between your observation and imagination. As a result, it helps you to feel the subject much better, and it becomes easier for you to break down any complex object to simpler forms inside your head. Now, with saying that, I will let you relate to the things that I have said so far while I complete the drawing.
Hey guys, thanks a lot for watching. If you want to support my work, then please do like, comment and share my works, and also don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon, which is very important so that you get notified as soon as I post a new video.